Tim Rocco here, Rock House Real Estate. I'm here with Maratt from the lending group.
What's up, guys?
We are here at a property that I helped a client purchase. It had a large garage. His in-laws had a distressed property that an investor purchased, which I helped facilitate. In the meantime, we let them live in the property as we help get the in-law suite done for them.
Tim, tell us where did you start? Was it just the garage and you added the second floor? Or?
So the garage was already 1,400 square feet, and what you see is what was there. You had 2 garage doors in the front. We totally modified the whole property to accommodate their needs. So as you can see, it's being totally remodeled. We're on the finishing touches now. The investor buying their property helped fund this project, and we were not only able to help them sell their property, but help get their new home completed for them.
Is it an elder couple?
Yes, they're an older couple. They have some medical conditions, so we had to make it compliant on the first floor, along with finishing the upstairs, as they wanted a bedroom upstairs as well.